hoisting the mast off at Wardell's in Tonawanda. Did you put the bulb in there?
Yeah.
Fit?
Can't get this to wind back up on.
Got the new, is an LED bulb and a masthead fly. We super glued it. Just kind of screws right in.
We didn't super glue it.
That masthead?
That's that other piece over there.
Oh, okay.
This piece, I don't know what they did with that.
Broken. Our standing rig. Hopefully we have all the parts.
After 16 days on the Hudson and the Erie Canal, the crew of Pau Hana is finally putting up the mast. We have never put up the mast or taken the mast down on this boat, so we're depending heavily on the crew at Wardell's Marina in Tonawanda, New York.
How's it coming, Rob? It's not a good sign.
At this point, I'm trying to untangle the forestay from around the top of the mast.
Be careful, Rob. Easy, man. A monkey climbing the coconut.
And I ended up going up the mast to untangle the forestay.
I guess we have a kink on our forestay. Lots of people are kink it. These guys are Wardell's. I'm trying to get them up there. You guys are professionals. We trust you. Tarzan boy. We should get a discount. Zip line. Yep, Rob had to go up there.
Good?
Almost. Did you bring any coconuts? All right, good job. That was awesome. Good job, guys, everybody. Yay. Welcome back to land. That was free. You didn't have to pay for that.